Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Food 411. Let's do this. With me today, I have Brittany Sincebaugh from our team. Thank you for being here, Brittany.
Yes, thanks for having me. I'm so excited.
I know, tasting food, yum.
I know, I've never done one before either, so this is my first one.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're gonna have a blast.
I know, always.
So we are tasting macaroni and cheese on this series, and who doesn't love macaroni and cheese?
Right.
Am I right?
Yes, it's a staple. It's what you get when you don't know what else to get, like at any restaurant or something.
Oh,
so you want to play it safe.
See, I tend to go straight to the macaroni and cheese.
Really?
Yes.
Like, it's okay, I'll just
I'm kind of known for that. So today we're going to be judging on the consistency of the sauce and the noodles, how cheesy the sauce is, flavor, and also the presentation of the macaroni and cheese. And we've got 3 rules for this tasting. Do you know any of the rules offhand?
I know one of them used to be 1 bite. I don't know if that's the case for the mac and cheese.
It is.
It is. Okay.
Yes.
1 bite.
1 bite. No protein on top, so no chicken, sausage, bacon, nothing. So that way it's kind of like an even playing field. It has to be delivered by Metro Dining and Delivery. Shout out to them. They are assisting us with delivering these meals to us for this tasting. So thank you guys. We appreciate that. Okay. Well, first glance, I mean, it comes with a side of bread.
Yeah, which doesn't break the protein rules. Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks clean. I don't know if that's...
Yeah. I like the noodles.
It's like safety.
Well, I'm glad it's clean.
I know. Well, there's no like, it doesn't look like there's any like spices or anything like on top of it or anything. It just looks, yeah.
And some of the places we've tasted have had little sprinklings of spices on top.
Yeah.
Like Taste of Louisiana had a little Cajun flavoring on top there. I like the noodles. They're curly-Q style.
That looks good.
I've always loved these noodles. I don't know why.
Looks good.
They're easier to eat. You can get more on your fork.
Right. Big bites.
And they look like they're a good consistency too.
Yeah.
So one thing I noticed is it's probably a little light on the sauce for me.
Yeah.
I like saucy noodles, and I mean it just looks a little.
There's no like
a little dry.
No cheesy like.
Yeah.
Like you pick up the first bite and the cheese like oozes.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of that.
There's no ooey gooiness. We're gonna take our masks off now because we're gonna be eating this. Should we go ahead and get started?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm waiting on you.
Oh, you. I'll stop talking so we can eat. All right. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh,
I'm already losing noodles.
Okay. It's good. I feel like it needs a little more cheese though.
Yeah, I feel like it could use a little kick
Yeah.
to it of some sort.
Yeah.
The cheese is good. I'm not going to complain about that,
Right.
but it's a little on the bland side.
Yeah. I need more. I think I need more like cheesy flavor.
Yeah, definitely could use a little more flavor to it, and a little more sauce in general. So, but not bad by any means. I would order it again.
Yeah. It would be a happy order if you were like, I don't know what else to order on the menu. And you ended up with this. You're like, yeah, okay.
Pretty safe.
I made it. Yeah. I'm going to make it through dinner.
So that being said, are we ready to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think so.
Okay. If it had a little more flavor and a little more sauce in general, I think it would be a little bit higher score for me. So I'm gonna go with a 6.
I was thinking exactly the same thing.
Okay.
I was like, I think the bread helps and it's good. It's like a good basic mac and cheese, but it definitely needs a little bit more either zest or more cheese or something like extra. Even
like little cheese sprinkled on top or something like that. So, okay. Yeah. Well,
safe.
Carmela's macaroni and cheese is a 6.0. Thank you for being here with me today, Brittany.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Thanks for
being my special guest. Thank you for being with us on this fun series of macaroni and cheese. And Metro Dining and Delivery, thank you so much for providing your delivery services. And we'll see you guys next time for more macaroni and cheese.